The question is log x dx. Now what to do with simple log x? Okay, now the question can be written as now integration of log x with 1 into dx. Now going for LIATE, logarithm is the very first digit, okay, symbol. Now, so this will be the first function and this will be the second function now. Is it clear? So now integrating by parts, first function as it is, log x as it is, integration of 1 dx minus integration d by dx of log x, integration of 1 dx and dx. So when only simple question is there, we can take 1 as a first or as a second function, depend on the question. Now this becomes log x, integration of 1 is x minus integration d by dx of log x is what? 1 upon x into integration of 1 is x dx. Now this becomes x log x minus x plus c. Now this x and x cancels, integration of again dx, that is x. So this is the answer.